Hey, what's going on? Why do you need to know a recap? Yeah, me phone, that's a recap. You can't just get rid of it. It's not right for this episode. I thought you fans did a pretty good job. Me phone, what are you stopping? Me phone. What are you doing? Stop! I have the contract. Me phone. No. Stop!